You can kill our leader Khamenei. You can kill Yahya Sinwar. And you cannot kill the spirit we live from the very moment of Karbala. Every piece of land has been Karbala. Our bloods are shedding, but we have strong trust on Allah that this land has been created for Muslim and it will be independent and it will be freed for Muslim, inshallah. Inshallah. There will be a day is coming when all the occupants will be vanished, will be diminished in the land and in the sand of land, inshallah. Inshallah. We do not have strong economy. We do not have weapons. We do not have strong artillery groups. We do not have business magnets. But we have put trust on Allah. We have strong iman. And we have a straight head that does not bow down to the occupant, to the Zionists, and to the Markin groups who are killing our brothers and sisters in the corner of the world. We would like to declare, United Nations, they have protocol. There are a lot of humanitarian groups. They have laws, regulations, and protocols, but they are blind. They are totally blind. When our brothers are killed in Iran, when our brothers is slaughtered in Palestine, when our brothers and sisters and the kids, children of our Muslim, they are totally tortured and brutally slaughtered in the nook and the corner of world. We would like to warn them, please stop this. Please stop this genocide. We did not just stop this fight. We will continue our fight till we get the freedom. And I would like to ask our Muslim brothers all over the world, please get up from the bed, get up from the sleeping. You are sleeping, but on the other hand, your brothers and the bloods of your brothers become rivers and oceans. Please get up from the bed. If you cannot unite it, if you cannot reunite ourselves, this Zionist group, this aggression will kill the whole Muslim world and Muslim countries. I would like to call you, please come together, make a strong bond. Please raise protest and make resistance against this occupant. Inshallah, with the help of Allah, we will get the freedom. How we got freedom in the Badr, how we got freedom in Uhud, how we got freedom in every single fight in the history of Islam. Inshallah, we will continue our fight till our heads are slaughtered, till our last drop of blood is spared. Inshallah, I call upon every single Muslim present here. Please come to the street. Please speak for your brothers. Please shout out for your brothers. If you think you are not hampered today, you will be hampered tomorrow. But if you are alive, your speak will make this occupant group, they will become frightened, and they will become frightened, inshallah. And the vibration of their hearts will make us win this world and win this fight, inshallah. Inqilab, Zindabad, occupation cannot continue in the world, inshallah.